So we are now changing the Mechatronics. So this is the Mechatronics. Okay. So this is the Mechatronics. This is for the, this already we have changed for the gear. And of course, this is for the engine. So this we are changing now. Now you can see this is coming out and you can see this oil. So basically it has become black, oxidization. So even if you don't use the car, you still need to, because the car is production days was 2019. So today is about 2025, right? So more than 5 years nobody has changed. People advise me not to change, but we will see now. So, but I always change all the fluids. This Mechatronic oil G004000M2. So we are now filling it up. You can compare, the color is little bit different, you can compare. This is the old one and this is the new one. The old one is also good, but it has become a little bit black because of the oxidization and the temperature. So I am inserting the T-box. So it beeps. So after changing the Mechatronic oil, I reset the transmission. So now it's already reset, it's beeping, so I off it.